In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a language learning plan in Notion. Start by clicking New Page in the sidebar to create a blank page. A new untitled page opens in the main editor area. Type Spanish Learning Plan as the title of your new page. The title appears at the top of the page and saves automatically. Now type /table in the body area and select Table View from the filtered command results that appear. This opens the database creation dialog. A new database dialog opens with options to create a new empty data resources or link to an existing one. Click on New Empty Data Source, then click the background outside the dialog to dismiss it and see your empty table. The table appears with default column headers ready to customize. Click on the name cell in the first column header and type Lesson to rename that column. The header updates to show Lesson as the column name. Move to the next column header, click on it, and type Topic to replace the default tags label. Continue to the next column, click the header, and type Status to rename it. For the fourth column, click the header and type Study to set that column name. Click the plus icon that appears when you hover next to the last column header, then select Text from the Property Type menu to add a new text property column. Type title into the new column header to name it. This column will hold the title of each study resources. Add another column by clicking the plus icon, select Text again from the property types, and type Text into its header to create a second text field. Add the next column the same way, but this time select from the Property Type menu, then type Select as the column name. Add one more column, select Date from the property types, and type Date as its header. Now click on the date cell you just created in the column header, then select Status from the Property Type menu that appears in the dropdown. This changes that column from a date field to a status field. The column header updates to show status instead of date. The column now shows Not Started status labels by default in each row. You can customize these status options to match your learning workflow. Click on Not Started in one of the cells and select In Progress from the Status menu to see how you can update lesson progress as you work through your plan. The status label changes color to show the new state. You can add rows to your table by clicking the New button that appears at the bottom, or by hovering below the last row and clicking the plus icon. If you need to change a column type later, click the column header and choose Edit Property to see all the available types. The status property gives you a quick visual overview of which lessons you've completed and which ones are still in progress. You can create custom status options by clicking the status column header and adding your own labels. To reorder your columns, just click and drag any column header left or right. And that's how to create a language learning plan in Notion. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.